Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use an application or we can use adjusters. And let's get started with using the application. Just open it, and right here at the top we have ambient sound control. So you need to just click at the noise cancelling and we enable it. But as I said previous, we can also use adjuster, and to swap between this mode you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your left earbud, and you just press and hold. And if you are in the normal mode, it will swap to ANC. If you use ambient sound mode, or it also transparency, the same as this one. So it swap to a normal mode, and then you can swap to ANC. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.